Mombasa County.
Moving away from campaigns, President Uhuru Kenyatta has rallied the African Union to end the increasing cases of political instability and insecurity on the continent by taking decisive actions. Now saying the worsening situation was undermining the continent's socio-economic progress. He spoke on Saturday in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, when he delivered the progress report of the African Union Peace and Security Council at the ongoing 35th Ordinary Session of the Assembly of Heads of State and Government of the AU. Meanwhile, Kenya has resumed the chair of the African Union Peace and Security Council for the month of February 2022. Kenya's leadership at the council comes hot on the heels after a successful presidency.
After a 2-year disruption caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. In this regard, I wish to express my appreciation to the entire leadership of our union, and particularly to His Excellency President Cyril Ramaphosa for providing exemplary leadership in our collective response to the challenge of the pandemic. Over the past 2 years, we have struggled not only against the human cost of the pandemic, but also an inequitable system of vaccine distribution, arbitrary travel bans, border closures, lockdowns, and misinformation about the value of vaccines. Fulfilling our aim of birthing the Africa we want through robust implementation of Agenda 2063 and its flagship project will require us to make extraordinary efforts collectively. Our theme for 2022 is nutrition and food security.
You're watching Weekend